If your YouTube account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review the violation. Understand the reason for the restriction by checking your email or YouTube notifications. Familiarize yourself with the specific policy you allegedly violated. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, links to your content, or explanations that clarify your actions. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the Help section. Look for the option to appeal account restrictions and click on it to access the appeal form. Step 4. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate information. Thoroughly explain why you believe the restriction should be lifted and attach any evidence you gathered in Step 2. Step 5. Submit and wait. After reviewing your appeal for accuracy, submit the form. Be patient as YouTube reviews your appeal. This process can take several days or longer. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on YouTube. Good luck!